have a big family. We live close together. My big family stays strong in any weather. There are many people in my family home. We talk and laugh together. We never feel alone.
A big family means more love every day, more voices and smiles in a warm kind way.
This is my big family. We care and share our time. This is my big family. Everything feels fine. This is my big family. Together we all stand. I love my big family. They always understand. I have my parents. They guide me every day. They listen to my thoughts and help me find my way.
I have my brothers, I have my sisters too. We help each other grow in everything we do.
Sometimes we disagree, but love is always there. We talk and say sorry. We learn to truly care. This is my big family. We care and share our time. This is my big family. Everything feels fine. This is my big family. Together we all stand. I love my big family. They always understand. I have uncles and aunts, cousins near and far. We meet on weekends and talk about who we are. Family gatherings are busy and loud, but deep in my heart I feel safe and proud.
A big family teaches how to share and wait, how to listen and talk and communicate. I learned patience and kindness from people I see. My big loving family means the world to me.
This is my big family. We care and share our time. This is my big family. Everything feels fine. This is my big family. Together we all stand. I love my big family. They always understand. At night we sit together and talk about our day. We share simple stories in a calm, gentle way.
I feel warm and thankful for the life I see. My big family gives so much love to me.
My big family stays in my heart every day. No matter where I go, their love will always stay. I smile and feel happy when I think and see my big loving family is everything to me.